Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the April 2021 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month is our bigger kit. It includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and the embellishments. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards, one for each one of the 4 collections. These are double page layouts designed by the design team, and they give you the cutting and assembly instructions and then a full color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them, or of course you can go off and create on your own. You'll also receive in your kit a sample of gourmet coffee. So I know you guys enjoy your coffee, sipping and brewing that up when you get ready to create. So this month, our 4 collections are gorgeous as always. Rochelle does an amazing job. But we have Flower Garden from Cartabella. Little Boys Have Big Adventures from Photoplay Paper. So for all of y'all boy moms that are always looking for boy collections, this is a great one. From Pink Fresh, we have Keeping It Real and Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Cottage Fields. So a wide array of designs this month that I know you're going to love. So let's dig in and take a closer look. So our first collection we're going to look at is Flower Garden from Cartabella. It's just a beautiful spring collection full of florals. It's gorgeous. The pinks, the blues, the greens on the black and white. So this is, of course, the heavy textured cardstock that Cartabella is known for. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock, and then this one that has all of the windows and the awnings with the florals. The back is a sweet little floral with a pink center on the black. This paper is called Windows. This beautiful watercolor print of the large pink flowers and then blue flowers on the white. The background is a blue and white polka dot. Kind of looks like a snowfall. This one is called Lovely Floral. Then we have the 3x4 cut apart. Today is a beautiful day. Live life in full bloom. The earth laughs in flowers. Enjoy the little things. So these are great to kind of tuck in, put some journaling on here, or you could use it as a photo mat. You can also fussy cut some of these pieces for embellishments. The back is a green with a little print here. This one is the 3x4 journaling cards. So again, one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, it's the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have 2 border strips, this black and white, and then a floral one. We have, again, large words here that you could use for titles, a banner. Love this telephone booth. That is just gorgeous. That would be so pretty tucked in next to a photo. The little gardening hat. Lots and lots of fun to document your florals or just anything. Flowers go with anything. So that is Cartabella's Flower Garden. Our next collection is Little Boys Have Big Adventures from Photoplay Papers. So this is perfect for all you boy moms. If you're not a boy mom or you don't scrapbook little boys, you can use the B-sides. They are awesome, or just scrapbook the men in your life. So lots of options. You're going to start with 2 sheets of graphite cardstock. Your pattern paper, this one's called Make Believe, Play With Me, You Are My Sunshine, Let's Make Believe. I love this right here. I think this would be a perfect title for several layouts. It's called Nap, Build, Destroy, Repeat. And we have the little dinosaurs, the alligators, the puppy dogs. Love the little dinosaurs driving the car here. Super cute. And of course the back is a neutral, so this is a plaid in that light blue aqua color. Then we have Chomp Chomp, which is a yellow geometric print with these little arrows, perfect for anything. But the back are these awesome dinosaurs that have eaten trucks. So super cute, and then all the trucks are scattered throughout. We have this one called Big Adventures, and it looks like a man version of sequins on here. And the back is a green print with little plus signs. So one more look at the pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a half a pack of the ephemera pieces, so they will vary, but there are frames, there's little pieces with phrases, kind of the same phrases we saw on the paper that you could tuck in, some banners. So that is a look at photoplay papers. Little boys have big adventures. Our next collection, Keeping It Real from Pink Fresh, is definitely keeping it real. There are some really fun, just straight up phrases in here for titles that are perfect for the times that we're living in right now. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Then we have this one called A Little Chaos, which is the circles of different prints and then words around them and inside of them. I love the papers like this that they do in their collections. Perfect for backgrounds or strips of it for backgrounds. The back is a blue geometric print. This one called The Daily Grind, which has lots of daily icons. So your coffee cup, books, and then some little treats, cupcakes and ice cream cones, flowers, the park bench, and then lots of little sayings. So we have simple pleasures, small wins, a little pick-me-up, let's do this, a walk in the park. So a lot of fun little phrases there. This one called Big Mood, which has all of these shapes here with phrases in them. So this is perfect. You could fussy cut these out for titles on different layouts. You could have lots of titles. You could use them as embellishments to start your embellishment clusters, of course. You could also cut a strip and use as a background piece. But I love the sayings on these. This is documenting real life. It's okay to make mistakes, to take a little break, to go slow. No matter what, sun will rise and you can try again. Get lost in a good book. Start where you are, day by day. So just lots of just real phrases. The back is this awesome rainbow print paper. These are great. I love to cut like strips of them to use on the side of a paper or a side of a layout. Of course, you could cut them apart and use just strips of the colors or as a background piece. So that's your pattern paper. For your embellishment, you're going to get some puffy phrases. So I love this. This is, oops, keep it real. Today, nope. I've had some of those days here lately. Nope. We have some enamel dots. Colors will vary, but I got kind of like a peach color. And then a mix of the icons and floral die cuts. So again, we have just relax, not a good day. It's okay sometimes to document those not so good days. Embrace the mess. Just keep going. So again, just a really great collection, keeping it real. From Pink Fresh. Our final collection is Simple Vintage Cottage Fields from Simple Stories. This is a series they've been doing in the vintage collection that's just gorgeous. I love these collections. So this time we're going to start with 2 sheets of walnut cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Beautiful Moments. Beautiful florals over here, a text in the back, and the butterflies. This is a perfect background photo. Few embellishments tucked in and you're done. The back is this gorgeous floral print. Again, it has the little butterflies and a little bird tucked in there on that light blue background with some text. This one called Natural Beauty, which is a wood plank background with this kind of like advertisement text printed on it with florals at the bottom and the sides. Just a beautiful, beautiful print. The back is a large polka dot on black, and again, inside the polka dot, there's that text, real faint. This one called Sweet Life is pages out of a book just collaged on here, and then some butterflies over here, paint splatters. This one is just a mixed media background done for you. The back is this beautiful, again, kind of advertisement on here on the blue with the distressing of the white paint and the darker blue paint. Just a beautiful Beautiful paper. So one more look there. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam phrases. I love foam phrases. So this is what I got. They will vary. You'll get different sections. And then some of the bits and pieces. So these will vary as well. But I love these because, like I have said many times, they do all the layering and stuff for you. So you've got all your clusters. If you're new to clustering, check these out, because all you have to do is just stick that in one area, that in another, that in a third, and you've got your clusters done for you. So that is Simple Vintage Cottage Fields from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out these links here at the end that feature the add-ons that are available. You can add on cardstock, patterned paper, embellishments, and even the Shots of Life that has patterned paper and embellishments together. Those coordinate with the Flavors of the Month, so you can pick it up as well. Join us over on the Facebook group. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.